Apart from smoking, these 5 reasons are also due to lung failure. Learn, rescue and treatment. The importance of lungs is the most important. Because of this we can breathe. They deliver pure oxygen within the body. If the major parts of the body are talked about, then the importance of lungs is highest because of this. Because of these we can breathe. Together with the nose and breath tubes, they work to deliver pure oxygen inside the body and to carry out carbon dioxide. Even though they are within the body, the most important impact of pollution is on these. The worrying thing is that there is no such technique available in the field of medical science, which can also be transplanted to the lungs like kidneys, liver or heart. That's why we need to take special care of them. What is the work system? Every cell needs a pure oxygen to keep our body alive. Responsible for fulfilling this is on our respiratory system, which conducts the process of breathing and release in association with the nose, respiratory tubes and lungs. During breathing, air through the nose reaches the lungs. Some parts of the bacteria that are present in the dust and allergens in it are filtered within the nose, but this is not enough. In the lungs there are very small wind turbines, which are called acinas, very fine sieve. These air systems present in the lungs filter the air again. Thus blood gets oxygen and heart is supplied with pure oxygenated blood to every part of the body. After this, the remaining air filters the lungs again and then acts out of the body through the process of exhalation of the harmful elements present in it. If the lungs do not do their work properly, bacteria and viruses present in the infected air can enter the blood and also damage the other major organs of the heart. When is the blockage? Because of the virus and bacteria present in the environment, there is a problem of lung infection and swelling, which is called pneumonia. Coughs and fever are the main symptoms of breathing, swelling of chest, wheezing, chest pains, etc. The immune system of young children and the elderly is very weak, so often they get to see this problem. Pollution is the biggest enemy of the lungs. More harmful chemicals are formed in the lungs and respiratory tracts of people who smoke more. Usually the respiratory taps are wet from within, but because of the smoke, dust and pollution in the air, the lubricants present in them dry up and sticks to inner walls of the respiratory tubes. This makes the person suffer from breathing. People suffer from this problem after the age of 40 years, because the disease resistance of the person weakens with the increase in age. In the changing season the harmful bacteria are more active and the immune system has to work harder to fight them. Therefore some people have trouble breathing during this time too. In more severe cases, if there is obstruction in the way of reaching oxygen to the brain, then such condition is called COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. In such a case, the patient needs to give medicines to the nebulizer and check with the doctor's pulse oximeter that the brain is getting sufficient oxygen or not. If the oxygen saturation in the brain is less than 90%, then the individual needs to give oxygen separately. In such circumstances, he may also get admission in the hospital for some time. In certain situations, serious patients of COPD need to keep pulse oxidimeter, oxygen cylinder or concentrator at home. The use of those tools is very easy and with the help of these, the process of breathing becomes easier for the patient. Better treatment than treatment. If you want to protect yourself from serious diseases like COPD, pneumonia and TB, stay away from smoking. Wear a mask for the morning walk. Always keep the glass of the car closed. Take care of cleanliness in the house to protect children from infection. However, nowadays vaccine is also available to prevent pneumonia. Make sure to get all the members of the family on the advice of the doctor. Chest physiotherapy and breathing excretion also provides relief. The action of the inverse is also helpful in keeping the lungs healthy. Regardless of which there is a problem in breathing, consult a doctor without delay. To keep the lungs healthy, eat plenty of colorful fruits and green leafy vegetables rich in antioxidant ingredients. Citrus fruits with vitamin C also strengthen the lungs by increasing the activity of the immune system.